Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview, and this is Chris, and today we're still going to continue to talk about MediaInfo, and this time I just finished installing the new version, and we'll see some new things that are with the new MediaInfo. But beforehand, let me answer this question: how can I find the MP3 sampling rate using MediaInfo? Now, if you don't have media info yet, you just go ahead and go to 8downloads.com/media info. Click the download now button and install media info. Now, of course, if you have media info now and you have seen there's a new version update, then go ahead, and as you can see, the GUI has changed. And now, to answer the question, how can you find a sampling rate? All you have to do is open a music file or an audio file that you want. So let's just say I'll open Shackles, and then here you would already find the first audio stream rate. But now we're looking for the sampling rate. So the best way to do this is you go on the tree view and go under the audio, and you would see the sampling rate as 41.1 kilohertz, which is the standard one. You can also go and check the text view, and still under the audio you would see the sampling rate. Actually, with media info you will see a lot of informations as long as you play around with the basic view, sheet view, tree view, or text view, or even HTML. Okay, so that's what media info can offer you, and that's best for letting the information flow. And as you can see, you can even see the information at hand right now. So this is Chris saying have a great day to all, and thanks for viewing this video.